Hello friends, good afternoon everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you complete dashcam setup. How to set the settings. So what we need to set. So how the functions happens. How the recording happens. Complete video I am going to make today. This is the Dashcam 70mAh Pro Plus front and rear set. It has a 2.7K resolution Ultra HD video and application enable built-in Wi-Fi, and it has a built-in GPS. The GPS will show you the coordinates of the location, what all the recording happens, that location coordinates it will show, and also speed stamps, how much speed, how much kilometer speed we are driving, everything status will get in the video. So we can go into open this box now. This is the Pro Plus 70mAh Sony brand. Here we have a user manual. This is the front camera. This is a 70mAh front camera, and you can see here
please insert SD card.
Rear cam port. This is the SD card port. So I need to insert the SD card to this device. So SD card we can insert like a 128GB or 256GB card. So this is the SD card, Samsung Evo Plus. SD card. Just inserting this card. We have to insert like this.
Please format SD card.
After inserting the SD card, it asking for the format. I need to press this button, formatting. I'm going to give a power connection to the camera.
Formatting successful.
Okay, thank you.
Please connect charging cable.
Yeah, I am just connecting the charging cable. Now it's on. So you can see the recording happens. 70mAh camera. There is the recording. Here we have a function button. This is the button for mic. If you press this, audio recording will be on. Again we can press this, audio recording will off. This button for the emergency video recording, manual recording button. If you want to do some manual recording or emergency, we can press this button, it will record manual. It captures and it will store the different folder. Here you can see the email logo.
Recording complete.
And this button for files, like what all the recordings happens we can find here. This is a front camera videos, and this is a back camera videos, and the emergency video. Here also parking surveillance video, time-lapse video. If you click any captured photos, we can find it here. So this all the formats, and this is the OK button. So you can select and see the videos. You can see what all recorded you just selected. The recorded files will be here. So if you want to delete, you can delete. You can see here. Just a second. this video you can see the date and time. And this is the coordinates. Here we can find the time. You can see here kilometer per hour, and this gap the coding is there will get a coordinates, latitude and longitude of the location, because this is a GPS, so we can find the coordinates. Okay, you can go for back.
Audio recording is on.
Okay, so video settings will be there. Just click that. In this video settings you will find a emergency video and parking surveillance video settings. What is this all? We'll just check each and every. The emergency video means, so any emergency we want to record the sensitivity level of this. You can set this medium. Okay, and the parking surveillance. This is all the parking surveillance cable. Once we done a hardwiring kit, it will enable the parking surveillance. So currently I'm not inserted with the parking hardwiring kit, so you can go back. I'll show you in the later how the hardwiring happens. So this is a time-lapse recording. The time-lapse will continue to work when the ignition switch off. This is also in the parking time it will work. So we can enable parking. Once enable, that will work. So recording duration you can see. So each and every videos how many duration we need, like that we can set. 1, 2, 3 minutes option is the 3 option will be there. So if you choose any one, so I am just selecting a 1 minute. So according to the customer usage we can set that. And the video storage, so there is will be having a 2 storage video capacity, like a high compression and low compression. This is like a image quality, like if you kept high quality, so the resolution 2.7K. Low compression means like a 1080 pixel, like that it will show. And resolution also here you can set this resolution. According to that our storage will be consumed. So if you keep this lower, our storage will be higher. It will add some more pictures. So if you keep this high resolution, the video quality will be high, and the storage will be low. So, and refresh rate, this is a video refresh rate, like quality will be smooth. You can set this is a refresh rate. And if you go back, so wide angle like this is actually WDR technology. WDR means wide angle, so wide angle technology will be there. So if we select this, we can on and off will be there. This is on off, I can choose on. It will be very clarity. The wide angle will be a square type pictures will come, no like a fisheye type. And there is the speed, latitude and longitude. This is the GPS function. You need to enable it. And speed you need to run kilometer per hour will be there. You can select that. Back logo will come. In the system settings we can set Wi-Fi hotspot. So Wi-Fi hotspot, we can get this password for the Wi-Fi connectivity. So once we are in phone Wi-Fi, that time we can set the password and connect. So we need to turn on for that. Turn on happens just a back. and power on Wi-Fi settings. So if enable will automatically, once the device turn on, it will connect automatically, so you need to turn on. So this is the audio recording. So button also will be there, we can customize it in the inside the application also. Just making enable, and add as feature is there. Add as features, it will give a notification. We need to calibrate, adjust the look, the line will be there, aligned line. We need to adjust the lens in front of that hood, front of the vehicle, then it will calibrate and will function. So that will be in the physical, we need to set. So screen saver timer off time, so always on means it will continuously, the screen will be on, so no need to on continuously. After 1 minute it will go off. And the speaker volume we can set medium, high, low. The medium we can set it, and auto off when stop. So once the ignition off, we can set like a customize, we can ourselves how we want. This is the do not turn off automatically, you can set, or after 20 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, or automatically off, like that will be there. That is not a important things. And this is the very important, because we are installing a dash cam means that is a safety device. So some incident happens, need a time and date, so we need to set this properly, like according to the installation process. I will go back now. Okay. And system language will be there, so our language English, I need to set English. And the date format, date, month, year. Driving duration, this is the duration. Voice alert method, alert every 15 minutes, only once. This is the duration alert, like a driving duration. We'll get a notification how much driving, how many hours we are driving, that we will get a alert through voice command. This is a driving alert. Okay. System settings, we have these settings. And this is the format option for memory card. We can format in the application also, in the device itself also. If we press this, it will get format, all the videos will erase. And formatting the SD card, once the format done,
Formatting successful.
so we'll get a voice command. And one more settings for the factory reset. If we do this, it will get reset all the things, and we need to change date and time, everything. If it is any system update will be there, we need to update here, we will get a notification, we can update this. So this is all the basic settings
Audio recording is off.
in this Pro Plus. So keep watching, we will update you to related to dashcam many videos and features, and also the information about dashcams. Thank you friends.